My name is Gbonjubola Abiri. I'm a consultant psychiatrist. It's the new year, 2024. And so first of all, that one comes with a lot of pressure. People are already thinking new year, new resolutions. Number one, we need to be aware. Be aware of ourselves and be aware of the state of our minds. We also need to be aware of the fact that mental health conditions exist, just like physical health conditions, and that it can happen to anyone at any point in time, regardless of their age, whether they're male or female, regardless of what work they do, how much money that they have. Number two is that we must be informed. And so beyond knowing, let's find out what the details are. What are some of the signs and symptoms I need to look out for? What are some of the, complaints that may happen when I start, having problems sleeping, problems eating, problems interacting, when I have problems, that I would like to keep to myself instead of interacting with other people. It may show that there's a bit of a problem. I think that the third thing is that we need to learn healthy coping mechanisms. And by healthy coping mechanisms, coping mechanisms that will not make us distressed. Let's talk to other people. Let's look for information. Let's look for support. And of course, talking about, healthy coping mechanisms, we should avoid things like drinking alcohol excessively, smoking, or using other substances of abuse, becoming aggressive either towards ourselves or other people, or looking for dangerous ways to harm ourselves just because, we're trying to cope with all of the pressures that are going on. The last thing that I want to say is that we must learn to be there for each other. We need to be supportive towards each other. These are difficult times. It's a difficult terrain. It's almost, impossible to want to think of other people because you haven't even catered to your own self and your own family. But you see, sometimes what we need to give to someone else, it may not be money, it may not be material things, it may just be the fact that we have a listening ear, an encouraging word, or the ability to just, reach out and tell someone, I'll be here for you in your time of difficulty. Thank you.